Hello everyone, this is Lilia from Rinpack. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Custom facial mask Mylar bags engineered with a multi-layer barrier to lock in essence, block UV rays, and prevent oxidation. Your formula stays potent, skin ready. Available in many shapes and sizes: single pocket, twin face pairs, or multi-pack sleeves. Choose from glossy, soft touch metallic, or clear matte finishes to match your skincare aesthetic. Customize with gold stamping, holographic effects, embossed logos, or a UV spot coat. Add usage guidelines, ingredient diagrams, or scent profile callouts. A clear window or a matte front for deep privacy. Both keep it thriving. Intelligent open simple tear notch or ray. Sealable zipper. Reuse with remaining masks. Maintain hydration. Avoid contamination. Shelf-friendly stand. Up base for a premium retail look. For more questions, please feel free to contact me. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.